Okay, guys, so I'm going to make this real quick because it's brisk out here today. It's really cold. I know the car's looking dirty. Look where I am. I'm on like a dirt road. This is crazy. These are the roads I'm finding nowadays. So I'm out here on a dirt road in some industrial area way out somewhere on the island. But let's jump right into it. When you're making your exhaust videos, you want to position the mic up here. All right, you want to put the mic right around here. When I did my first exhaust video, I had the mic right around here, and I had a tape, and honestly, it sounded horrible. It was very distorted, and I was wondering how these other guys was making their videos. And when I looked on YouTube, they said to position the mic right around here. So I decided, you know what, that doesn't work for me. Videos sound like crap, audio sound like crap. So I put the mic right here. It's away from the exhaust, and it's going to pick up the exhaust sound regardless. All right, and this way, when you position the mic away from the exhaust, you won't hear that distortion. All right, you don't have to edit it in your video. You don't have to turn the volume up. You're going to have a nice, crisp sounding exhaust through your video. All right, a lot of guys might wonder, how do I stop the mic from moving? What I did first, I had taped it, which you don't want to do. I used electrical tape. That was the worst thing. And I taped it, and it left the residue from the electrical tape on the car, which I have to actually get buffed off. But all I do is close the trunk. I position it just like this. I put it into place just like that. Close the trunk. That mic does not move. It might look like it's going to move, but once you're driving, the mic pretty much stays in place. And that's pretty much it. This is, I think, a 12 feet, I think I have, microphone cord. And it runs from the back. Sorry, the car looks a little messy. Runs from the back. I'm actually in the process of making another video. And my mic actually died. The battery died. And it runs all the way to the front, to the GoPro, your iPhone, or whatever you use to make your video. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else to it to make your exhaust videos and make the video sound extremely good. But that's pretty much it, guys. So guys, there you have it, man. That's how I make my exhaust videos. I know you guys have been wondering, how do I make the exhaust videos? How the video sounds so good? The exhaust sounds so good, not distorted. You get the real natural sound of the exhaust when you set it up like that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please make sure you help out the channel, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell notification. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.